Okay, so this video should hopefully work. If you have issues with it, please let me know. I I'm hoping YouTube is clear on the video. I've had some issues as far as uploading it with uh, lagging. So if you have issues, please let me know and I'll mess with the videos on my end. For week 7, we have a few things coming up. Number 1, you need to make sure that you are ready to take this chapter quiz on chapters 3 through 7 on the novel. I think on Friday we almost finished chapter 6, so Monday we're going to start wrapping things up, and depending on what time we have available, we'll take the quiz Wednesday or Monday. That quiz will be going on. Your grade there will only be one after. I may throw it out depending on what time we have before the quarter comes to a close, just so you are aware to prepare for that. Our essay will be huge this week. You'll have time to work on your essay. Your essay is due October 9th, which means a week from the Friday of this week. So you should have, by the end of this week, your introduction and your 3 body paragraphs done. Should be at least there, or at least not completed, but you should have a rough start on your 3 body paragraphs. You need to make sure if you miss that you are working on that. You won't pass this class without it. So make sure you get those in. The next thing is be prepared for a Socratic seminar. And we will have an ACT prep on Monday. So if you miss, just come in and take that. If you have any other questions, please let me know. Thank you.